Alright, let's look at another method. We have been given a plus 4 over a is equal to 5. Right, let's try to find out what is a's value is. So how can we find what a's value is? Here it says simply a. What's the denominator here? It's 1. So now the two fractions got different denominators. Let me introduce the LCM of 1 and a. What is the LCM of 1 and a? It is a. So how did 1 become a? How did the denominator 1 become a? Getting multiplied by a. 1 times a is a. So if you have multiplied the denominator by a, you got to multiply the numerator also by a. That's a times a, which gives us a squared plus second fraction's denominator was a and still it's a. So nothing has happened to the denominator, which means we don't do anything to the numerator. So 4 would come as it is equal to 5. So now we can write it as a single fraction. A is the common denominator. A squared plus 4 equals 5. A squared plus 4 over a is equal to 5. Now let's get the denominator a to the other side. So what will happen? A squared plus 4, that's 5. Division goes other side, which becomes multiplication. So 5 times a. 5 times this a goes other side, so it's 5 times a. Alright, so now what do we have? We have a squared plus 4 is equal to 5a. Alright, so we clearly see here that what we have got is a quadratic equation. So let's collect all the letters to one side. So a squared plus 5a go to the other side, becomes minus 5a plus 4 equals 0. Right, can we factorize here? Yes, we can. So a squared is a trinomial quadratic expression. So how do we factorize such expressions? A squared, we got to split the middle term. When we multiply, we should get plus 4. And when we add, we should get minus 5a. So what would give us that? That's minus 4a minus 1a, or simply minus a. Let me write in the other way. So minus a minus 1a minus 4a plus 4 equals 0. When we add minus a with minus 4a, we end up getting minus 5a. And when we multiply minus a by minus 4a, we end up getting plus 4a squared. Alright, so now let's factorize by grouping. A is the common factor. A minus 1, this minus would come as it is. Next two terms, the common factor is 4. That's a minus into what gives us plus. That's minus into minus. And 4 times what would give us this green 4 here? That's 4 times 1. Alright, so now when we compare the two terms, that is a times a minus 1 and 4 times a minus 1, we see that a minus 1 is the common factor. So since a minus 1 is the common factor, let's take that out. So a minus 1 goes out. And what comes in from the first term, a would come in. And from the second term, minus 4 would come in. So when we factorize, we end up getting a minus 1 times a minus 4. So we have got a minus 1 times a minus 4 is 0. So let's go on to find out a's value. So we can say a minus 1 equals 0, or else a minus 4 is equal to 0. One of those guys got to be 0. So a is equal to 0. Minus 1 goes outside, it becomes plus 1. So a equals 1, or else a equals minus 4 goes other side, it's 0 plus 4. Then a is equal to 4. Alright, so now let's find when a equals 1, what is the value of a squared plus 16 over a squared? So that's a squared over 16, a squared plus 16 over a squared. So we replace a with 1. So 1 squared plus 16 over 1 squared. 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is 1, plus 16 divided by 1 squared. That is 16 divided by 1. What is 16 divided by 1? That is 16. So 1 plus 16 is 17. And what's the other one? What's the other value we have for a? That's 4. So when a equals 4, let's do this. A squared plus 16 over a squared is what we're supposed to find. Or we could evaluate the value of a squared plus 16 over a squared when a is 4. So that's 4 squared plus 16 over a squared, that is 4 squared. So 4 squared is 16 plus, what is 16 divided by 4 squared? What is 4 squared? That is 16. So 16 divided by 16 is 1. So 16 plus 1 is 17. So what does that mean? The value of a squared plus 16 over a squared is 17. And this is second method. Hope you all understood.